Poetry Project 2009. Hope is the thing with feathers.
Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul,
And sings the tune without the words, and never stops at all.
and sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm.
That could abash the little bird that kept so many warm.
I've heard it in the chillest land and on the strangest sea.
Yet never in extremity it asked a crumb of me.
The first literary device Dickinson uses is a metaphor.
As she says in her poem, hope is the thing with feathers.
In comparing hope to a bird inside the soul,
Dickinson shows us that we should never give up hope because it will always be inside of us to rely on it.
even when it seems like there is no hope left, that is not true, and hope will always be there for you to believe in.
The second literary device used is symbolism.
Dickinson uses a little bird to represent all feelings of hope in humans.
In the poem, she uses the quote, "And sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm."
There are many things in life that try to diminish our beliefs in ourselves and put us down.
However, we can't let simple things ruin our lives.
We have to keep true to our hope in ourselves and never give up. The theme of Hope is the Thing with Feathers is that hope doesn't need to be earned.
As Dickinson said,